Just Matt Brode back in the True V4 Weather Center, where we still have that storm alert set to extreme, courtesy of flash flood warnings that are ongoing. As promised, I want to take you on a Doppler tour. Okay, this is central Tucson right now. A lot of green on the map telling us much of the real intense rain has abated somewhat. Maybe some yellows out there by River Road, so we're not seeing that intense rains here in Tucson. Farther to the south, though, Sierra Vista. Remember, we have a flash flood warning for you. Looks like some of that rain beginning to taper off a little bit. Notice much more green in the map, just fewer reds, fewer oranges and yellows. Where you see the yellows and the oranges, that tells us where that rain is heavier. This was a severe thunderstorm warning over Benson. Looks like this is starting to weaken. As we roll this into motion, you can see some of those pinks on the map right there indicating when it was severe, and you can also see a lot of lightning with that associated as well. Let's continue our Doppler tour. We're seeing some more storms now fire up across portions of east central Cochise County. I want to put this into 3D mode because as I do, you can see the kind of taller these columns are, stronger the storm, some lightning. This looks like it's headed toward the Chiricahua Mountains. And finally, I think we're going to conclude our Doppler tour right now with a pretty good storm that we're tracking. This just to the west of I-19, mostly in sections of Santa Cruz County. A lot of lightning with this one as well. So we are still seeing quite active weather across southeastern Arizona. So if you have plans to be outside, I know it's Friday, I would just wait it out a couple hours. These are starting to weaken, at least across much of Tucson, but still down towards Sierra Vista, and as you make your way into other portions of Cochise County, some rough and tumble weather on this Friday evening. I want to zoom right out now where you see those dark green areas for Tucson, Sierra Vista. Those indicate, hi Nicole, those indicate where we still have flash flood warnings. We'll get to your traffic in just 1 second here. And then the lighter green shades, I should say the darker ones, as you make your way into central sections of Pima County, that's where we're still seeing flood advisories. So with that in mind, we've been very busy here in the News 4 Weather Center, but also traffic as well. Nicole, what's going on?
All right, we do have a lot going on with traffic, and we're trying to keep you as up to date as possible. I even wanted to get you that information early, but we are going outside.